Hey, good morning, traders. We got some hot charts for you today here on Friday, March 8th, 2019. I'm Ken Calhoun, president of Day Trading University, and our TradingTheOpen.com live trading room. As always, all information is for educational or information use only. Thanks for voting me number 1 for Reader's Choice Awards and number 2 for Stocks and Commodities magazine. We got lots of strategies that we cover for our members in the live room experience, including different tips and techniques for professional trading. Do be sure to try us at TradingTheOpen.com. So yesterday I missed the latter part of the run up in BPATH, but I did buy about 32, sold 41. So I got a 9-point run here on BPTH. That's one for our watch list. If we start off by taking a look at our broad market, you can see we're down on a jobs report, not turning out the way the street wanted, so we've got sell pressure continuing. I'm currently long overnight 110 shares in TVIX. Boom, nailed it, baby. And long other inverse ETFs like LabD and others. Those may be well worth keeping an eye on, especially TVIX today if it continues to skyrocket on up over 35. So BPTH is first up to bat. Here's a few other quick momentum small cap runners. TROV, what a run. It doubled from 4 to 9. Over doubled, right? Got such volatility and volume nowadays. SEEL, another good one that gapped up today. Closed off the day yesterday, gapped and trapped, right? Gap and trap or gap and crap, whatever you're going to call it. It doubled from 3 to 7, dropped down to 4. Did a nice big bounce, and it's pulling back here. So we'll see where SEEL goes. Here's one I profitably traded yesterday, ALT. It ran up nicely off its base, ran all the way up to 6, pulled back down to 4.5, ran back up to 5.5. Now it's down at 4. It doesn't know what it wants to do. It's down, it's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. Maybe it'll go up again, or maybe it'll go down. We'll see. Anyway, ALT also on the hot list for today. Next up, TNXP. This guy gapped up to 2.5 and ran to 3.25. We'll see if it's able to resume its uptrend. I like this one. This is one of my favorite gappers this morning because it didn't give back a lot of its earlier price action. At least as of now, it's 7:43 in the AM and 5:45 here in Colorado. So an early bird. Anyway, the point is nice minor gap continuation in TNXP. And last but not least, SAEX, a nice gapper from 360 to 620. So some spectacular charts. And if you're looking for good trade setups, it makes sense to follow the money and see where new institutional volume is coming in for volume confirmation on breakout continuations. A nugget is up also. We've got lots of our inverses. JNUG looks good too, right? Lots of our inverse ETFs. My favorite's always going to be TVIX because the point range. Anyway, that's our roundup for this week. Again, for this morning for today, BPTH, TROV, SEEL, ALT. That's probably the worst. That is the worst of the bunch. But it may bounce. TNXP and SAEX. So until next time, trade smart. Play the game the right way. Don't be trading thousands of shares of anything. Instead, play more conservatively. And I'd love to see you come and join me at TradingTheOpen.com. You can look over my shoulders. I make live real money, small share, 50 to 100 shares. Even BPTH, I played it too light. I only did 10 shares, but still I got 9 points out of it. So that's something. I like to play small and conservatively. As a risk-averse person, I don't like to take multi-$100 stop losses or $1,000 stops. I like my stops to be under $50, so that's why I trade 100 shares or less most of the time. But I trade often. So if you want to learn how to do that, join me at TradingTheOpen.com. Bye for now.